Hi class, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. This video I will explain to you about the topical area of your business proposal project. So I would suggest that you develop or you propose your system regarding on the healthcare industry. So if you don't have a healthcare industry in your mind, or you don't have experience regarding the healthcare industry, or you don't have knowledge about that, so you can choose other related project, software project. Yeah, as long as your proposal is a software development project, so we can accept it. So there are a few area in healthcare actually. So the healthcare industry is very big. Yeah, and that's why the health informatic uh, area has become famous now, and is never end of the research. Yeah. So I list here uh, some of the famous topic in the world, uh, such as e-health. Yeah, e-health is a very big system. uh, Anything about the digitalization of the healthcare business process in the hospital or clinic, either private hospital or public hospital, they call it e-health. Yeah, e-health means everything is electronic. Right upon a patient come to the hospital until they got the discharge or they got the pharmacy and go back to the house. So e-health got a lot of integration, yeah, between module and uh, between department, uh, within the hospital, or between the hospital. So another topic, very interesting topic, is M health. Uh, mobile health is very famous in the Europe country, um, where the patient is participant in the healthcare services. What I mean, a participant in healthcare services, they are not in uh, they are not in our country paradigm, where the people will go to the hospital or get the healthcare services when they got ill. So in the Europe country, in the developed country, they are more on the preventive health. Yeah. So a lot of wellness program is introduced or followed by the citizen in the country. So in order to make it the system is to be used, or to make it the participant from the citizen to involve in the healthcare improvement or promotion in the country, so mobile health is the solution. So another topic is a telemedicine. This is very a long story, a long research done, and this is my area actually. The telemedicine means the distant medicine. Tele is a TELE, is a Sanskrit language. Tele means distance. Medicine is uh, medical. So medical in distance, or medical at distance. So telemedicine and telehealth is the same approach, but the telemedicine is less function compared to the telehealth. So the telemedicine is just focused on the medical part, but telehealth a combination, yeah, between medical or clinical plus clinical support and also the admin part. So another topic is electronic health records. So when you talk about the e-health or digital health, so of course the heart of the system is medical records. Yeah, the information of the patient's findings, yeah, such as your diagnosis, your symptom, your vital sign, yeah, your temperature, your blood pressure, your glucose levels, your uh, oxygen, yeah, and also your lab tests, yeah, urine test, protein test, your imaging investigation, and etc. So at the end of the process of managing the patient in the hospital or managing uh, patient in the clinic, so the electronic medical record is a vital information to be keep and retrieve later. So another topic is hospital information system. Hospital information system is less than e-health. Yeah? See, actually, hospital information is a e-health if the hospital implement digital system, all their department equipped with the digital information system. So knowledge management in healthcare. This is another interesting topic where uh, s- the knowledge of the doctor sometimes is keep in their mind. Yeah? They call it that we call it tacit information. You're gonna see, but the information is in the doctor uh, storage. I mean, in doctor storage, sometimes they put in their mind, sometimes they put in the notes, sometimes they put in their um, laptop or desktop. And then the information is not centralized and gathered and managed accordingly. So the knowledge management in healthcare is very important because this become data mining, yeah, and big data to be processed for prediction and also the description of the uh, problems. Yeah, like COVID-19 right now, so we don't have a lot of data. Yeah, because this case is a new, so that's why at the beginning the government introduced the My Sejahtera. My Sejahtera is not the clinical information, but they just manage on the movement of the person, yeah, to keep track where they go and where they eat, where they shopping and so on, to keep track the spreading of the COVID-19 virus. Okay, that is a management, but relate on the healthcare tracking. So another topic is a clinical decision support system. So this is mainly for a lot of medical information or drug information that the engine, the computer can process it and then produce the result to help the doctor to decide, yeah, the the treatment plan for the patient, because some of the not some more or less the pattern of the diseases is same, yeah, from one patient to another patient. So the data can be used, and we train the data and algorithm so we can find the decision. Another one is a health data mining. So this relate to the knowledge management. Health data minings, all the electronic record that keep in the centralized, we chunk it, we uh, we make it the data in a good manner, in a wisdom manner, where the data can be translate into the meaning information. So another one is e-learning. So e-learning is regarded to the healthcare learning. Yeah. Uh, Nowadays, I think the person or patient is very well versed with the IT. Yeah. Anything they will go to the internet and they refer to the Google search, then they will uh, type the problem topic, and then they will read and understand. Example, what is the hypertension, what is the reason hypertension uh, occurred. Yeah. What is the remedy for the uh, hypertension. Yeah. What is the normal age that the person can get the hypertension and so on. So e-learning in medical is very important right now. You can try to find in the Google search. So I think the topic of medical, uh, which is searched by the people uh, across the world, is number two after the money. Yeah. Or topic sec. Yeah. So medical is number two famous in searching in Chata, Chata of search according to the topic. So another hot topic nowadays is IoT. So IoT in healthcare is very important because uh, when you talk about healthcare is a life and death, right? So I think if you ask people you want to death or you want to live, almost said that they want to live in this world forever maybe. Uh, that is impossible. Yeah. When Allah SWT want to take us, then they will take us anytime. So IoT can help the patient and also the healthcare provider to manage the healthcare services. So IoT is very important for person such as a stroke patient, yeah, or aging population which got three serangkai diseases: hypertension, diabetic, and also heart problem. Okay, so some of the person or patient, especially the aging population like your father or your mother, they stay in the house in the kampong, in the rural area alone. So who want to take care of them, because you all are migrate to the city doing your work, got your family and so on, and the aging population is live in their legacy. Yeah, they live in the kampong, and the distance between one house to another house is very very long. Yeah, very long. So when they got a problem or they lay down in the floor, so nobody will take care. Nobody know. And then when you call, no call, pick up, and so when you got the news, and maybe your loved people pass away already. So the IoT can help this kind of patient. Yeah. So they will maybe IoT can help to acknowledge the family, their son or daughter that his father is fall down in the floor, and they can send a message to the paramedic or ambulance to come. Yeah, early early help is very important. So in the research that told, so when the patient got early treatment, so the chances of uh, prolong their life is high. So another topic is a big data in healthcare, big data or data science. So this is very important to reduce the cost of healthcare, uh, not only in Malaysia but across the world. Yeah. So all country talk about the reducing the budget in healthcare. So healthcare is very high. We live in Malaysia is very lucky because our healthcare is still sponsored by the government. If you go to other country, you you cannot get healthcare services free like Malaysia. Yeah, I think you just pay 1 ringgit only. Yeah, to get the healthcare service in the public hospital. But if you compare to the US, for example, their system is insurance system. You don't have money, how you want to join the healthcare insurance? Yeah, so this is a problem across the world. The healthcare budget uh, need to be reduced because the government uh, have a problem with the money, because the economy is down now. Yeah, big data can help this situation where the big data or data science can provide the future information about the healthcare. Yeah, about healthcare, about diseases, about the drug consumed by the patient, and so on. uh, Through this data science, so the government will get the information, the right information to make a decision or to restructure their plan, where to reduce the budget. Is it through drug consumed by the patient, or through the equipment, or they need to build a new hospital? Yeah, or they must change the paradigm of healthcare services, paradigm of the citizen, from the illness to wellness. Yeah, so the data science is very important, very good for for the decision making. Okay, I think this is uh, enough for you. I think through my explanation, there are a lot of topic can be created, can be developed, can be proposed to the uh, especially to me. Yeah, or you can propose to the community. Yeah, to the our country, how to uh, improve the healthcare services, or how to help the government to reduce the healthcare cost. Yeah, healthcare cost. Okay, class. I think that's enough for you to know about the topic to be selected. Yeah, for your software business proposal. Okay. So finish. I think the topical area to be selected for your project. So now we go to the sample proposal format. This is what I expect from your report. So first you need the introduction. So I expect that your introduction is a comprehensive. Yeah, this is business proposal. So you need to convince to your customer or uh, vendor not when to your customer or your prospect customer. Okay, so you need to explain clearly the objective of the system, the background of the project, a benefit of the project to the customer, to the management, to the community, to the policy decision maker. Yeah, this information is very important to build the uh, confident level to your customer. Yep. So the introduction, I think from the lab one, what you need to do is uh, you already submit your project name, yeah, objective. I saw I read your proposal, but your proposal is very inadequate. They call it very inadequate information. So you need to uh, improve, yeah, enhance your introduction, uh, and also enhance your organization structure. So where you want to put your organization structure and resource management, such as the information about the office, uh, hardware, software. So you can put your lab one into the project organization structure. Okay. So this is the relationship between your activities in the lab and the deliverable that you need to update in your project proposal. So can you see you got the relationship class, yeah, between your activity every week and then what you need to do in your project proposal report. So lab 1, transfer your lab 1 into the project organization structure. Yeah, the diagram, you need to draw the diagram and the list of role and responsibility of each of the position. So is under chapter 4. Okay, clear class what need to do when you complete your uh, lab activity. So you need to import your work into this document, yeah, to become a solid document and to be submitted to me at the end of the semester. So what you need to do in the lab 2, so you find the topic which relate to the lab 2. Lab 2 is you organize I show you the lab 2 what you need to do. There is more on the resources, yeah, resources, not only human resources, but usually the infrastructure need, hardware, software, and also the support requirement. Yeah, this is an example. I already spell out in this notes how to identify the project infrastructure, how to identify project office requirements. Okay, where to put in your software business proposal. So actually in SDP they fall under software development management. So you try to go back to your document. Is there any software project management? Is there any sorry? Is there any software development management? Software development management. Um, Let me find it. Okay. So under project management. Okay. So don't follow exactly what I give you. Example, project management, we have 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5. So you create another section. For example, let's say when you refer to this document, there is no software development management. So software development management normally under project management. So you create one subsection, software development management, and copy all the exercise that you have done, or deliverable that you have created in lab 2 under the project management. Okay, class, are you clear how to do? Yeah. Let's say in week 4 or week 5, we discuss on the project cost. So you copy, yeah, import all your activity, your deliverable in lab 4, for example, regarding project cost, and update your project cost in the main document for business proposal, software business proposal document. Okay, class, I think that's it for explanation regarding project and how you want to update your software project proposal. Okay, thank you very much. See you later.